Uber X and Bolt 8K monthly challenge. Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, welcome, salute, khush amdeed, pakhair. Let's dive into day 9. Guys, my day 9, Tuesday, expense was the following: £20 petrol, £10 insurance as usual, £18 car rent, £3 phone bill. Total expense for day 9 Tuesday, £41. Let me know in the comment box how was your expense for Tuesday. Now let's dive into the earning of day 9 Tuesday. So my earning was Uber £143, Bolt £65, total earning 208. So how was your earning for Tuesday? Let me know in the comment box. Did you make more than mine or less than mine? So guys, the net profit before tax was £167. Hours it worked 10 hours. So guys, I'm just making these videos for freshers and newbies. Those people, they are interested to join cab industry, minicab industry, so you can have a better understanding to watch these videos. You can see the full breakdown of my expense and earning. Guys, I have an incredible giveaway for you. When I reach 50k subscriber on my YouTube channel, I will be giving away 5-day all-inclusive holiday to Morocco or Dubai. So why are you waiting? Subscribe the channel and you could be the winner.